Hey, I'm glad you're here. You know that feeling when a snowboarder sticks that perfect landing at the Olympics? One tiny shift in weight and everything flows. Miss it by an inch, and it's a full body yard sale in the snow. If you ever tried to carry a basket of laundry upstairs and tripped over a row shoe or stepped on a Lego, you know exactly what that chaos feels like at home. That contrast has been on my mind a lot lately. Why don't we chase that same kind of balance in our houses? Especially right now in the winter when we're all indoors more than usual. It's either harmonious, easy living, or the never ending episode of Whose Sock Is This? I worked with a family recently who were in that exact spot. Beautiful home, vaulted ceilings, great views. Yet, it didn't feel like them anymore. The kitchen was a cut off from the rest of the house. The living room was a forgotten, impractical space. And there was no real place where the whole family wanted to hang out together. Everyone was under the same roof, yet somehow still scattered. We designed built a custom great room addition that opened the entire back of the house, floor to ceiling windows, smart built-ins that swallowed all the everyday clutter while still looking chic. We added a clever door panel for a seamless wine fridge, lighting that shifts from bright and energizing during the day to soft and cozy at night. The change was wild. Suddenly, the revamped kitchen and new space all flowed together. No more tripping over gear or feeling disconnected. The house finally excelled. Family dinners stretched out. The kids started hanging out in the main area instead of disappearing. And the parents carved out a quiet corner that actually felt like a reset. Mom looked around at the end and said, "For the first time, this house feels alive, like it's on our team." Here's the best part: you don't need a big addition to start getting some of that feeling. It comes down to three layers of real balance, starting with visual harmony. Walk into a room and ask, does it feel even? Or is one side heavy and the other empty? A centered light, a floating shelf, or simply rearranging furniture can make the entire space feel calmed and pulled together. Functional stability. Stop fighting your layout. Add smart storage. Improve the flow, or rethink how a room actually gets used. On a budget, consider baskets, hooks, and a bench by the door can still cut the chaos big time and keep daily life steady. Emotional unity. This is where it gets good. Olympic teams win when every athlete is aligned, yet still performing at their best. Your home should do the same. Create a connection without crowding, and give everyone room to breathe and rest. Open flows so that family actually gathers. Plus, quiet pockets for recharge. So the house feels like it's rooting for all of you. And don't sleep on the invincible stuff like sound, air, temperature, a rug that kills echoes, a couple of plants freshen the air, and an extra throw makes drafty rooms feel human again. Here's your challenge this week. Pick one spot that's driving you nuts: the laundry avalanche zone, the awkward corner, or perhaps that hallway slip and slide. Make one intentional change, even a small one. Then come back and tell me in the comments. Did your house finally excel? Or did you discover 3 more lost socks? I read every single comment. If you know of someone who's feeling stuck in their space or gearing up for a home project, share this video with them. Sometimes all it takes is a little guidance or a fresh idea to turn a house into a home that really works. If this hit home and you're thinking about going bigger, rethinking a space, adding on, or truly transforming how you live, I'd love to hear your story. Drop a comment, shoot me a message, or share your wins. I'm always happy to brainstorm with you. You got this, one smart mood at a time, and your home can perform as well as those Olympic athletes. See you next time. Stay warm, stay balanced, and maybe keep that bobsledding to the driveway.